How to turn off swipe down on lock screen on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to turn off swipe down on lock screen on Android phone. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Settings application. Now navigate to Notifications and Status bar option. Select Lock Screen. Under Lock Screen Notification, here you will get multiple options. Locate, swipe down on lock screen to view notification drawer. Simply, you have turned on the button. To turn it off, toggle the button off by tapping on the button and make it to gray in color. With that, now your swipe down on lock screen to view notification drawer has already been turned off. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.